Welcome to today's video about 6 potent detox juices to cleanse the intestine naturally. Have you ever thought about starting a new diet and felt that you need to reset your gut? Did you know it's possible to cleanse the intestine naturally? In today's video, I'll show you 6 detox juice recipes for your intestine. These are ideal for individuals experiencing constipation, excessive gas, gastrointestinal discomfort, and inflammation. Make sure to watch until the end because the 6th juice is incredibly simple and highly effective. Natural colon cleansing not only helps reset your habits, but it also has direct health benefits such as preventing and combating diseases like colon cancer, diverticulitis, fissures, hemorrhoids, and most importantly, it's a natural approach, steering clear of artificial products. Moreover, a clean colon can control inflammation, ensuring optimal function of your internal organs. It might even boost your metabolism. Let's delve into the importance of a colon cleanse. Our large intestine measures between 1.5 and 2 meters long. When we don't have a good bowel routine, or due to various daily issues, we become constipated, and the feces become hard and dried out, like a stone in some cases, leading to waste accumulating. And why is constipation such a big issue? Because it means your body isn't expelling all the waste it should be, which can lead to pain and even increase the risk of bowel cancer. Moreover, it can fill us with gas, bloat our stomach, cause abdominal pain, nausea, make us eat less, and can worsen hemorrhoids and fissures. This is also a cause of infection. So, we must be very careful with our body. If you suffer from any of these conditions, perhaps a detox juice for the intestine can help you more than you think. Let's dive into them. But first, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Number 1. Broccoli, spinach, and ginger juice. Prepare with 3 sprigs of broccoli, 8 to 10 medium spinach leaves, stem included for its rich fiber content. Add a teaspoon of fresh ginger or crushed, using a garlic press. Blend everything in 1 liter of water. Drink a 200 ml glass daily. Depending on how your body reacts, you can consume it 2 or 3 times a week. This juice aids bowel movements, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components. Are you ready for 2 secrets about this juice that will benefit you even more? First, do not strain it. Blend it thoroughly and do not remove the little bits that remain because they contain extremely vital fibers. But if you wish to strain it because you can't swallow it or don't like it, don't throw away the residue. Place it on a plate, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle a bit of turmeric with black pepper, and eat with a spoon alongside the juice. You'll notice a significant difference. The second secret is to ideally drink it without sugar. If you find it too bitter, consider adding a small teaspoon of honey or an apple pear with skin. However, if you're diabetic or aiming to lose weight, avoid sweeteners. Broccoli is a fantastic vegetable. Various studies have shown that it can help prevent cancer, reduce inflammation, assist in the proper functioning of the liver, and even increase testosterone levels in men. Spinach contains very important vitamins and minerals, such as potassium and magnesium. Both also have a diuretic effect, which helps cleanse your kidneys. It's also a source of iron, and along with the fibers it contains, it will stimulate bowel movement. Ginger is a powerful ingredient. Various studies show that it has an anti-inflammatory effect, improves digestion, and is a natural remedy for relieving pain, nausea, and vomiting. Now, regardless of what the industry says, I like to be more optimistic. This truly is conscious eating, meaning using different foods as real natural remedies. These juices energize you, can help lower cholesterol, triglycerides, control blood sugar, high blood pressure, and strengthen the body's defenses. Furthermore, they can assist in weight loss, especially when combined with other healthy habits, physical exercise, and good sleep. 2. Juice of celery, cucumber, parsley, apple, and ginger. Blend together 2 celery stalks, leaves optional, 1 cucumber with skin, a handful of parsley, a teaspoon of ginger, and a whole apple with skin but de-seeded in a liter of water. Drink a glass on an empty stomach once or twice daily without straining. You can also reduce the amount of parsley or replace it with ground cinnamon if you find the taste too strong. It's a great juice for the whole family, especially as a replacement for sodas and sugary juices. Just like the previous one, if you choose to strain, don't discard the fibers. Enhance its nutritional value by adding flaxseed, chia, or quinoa and consume with plenty of water. This drink, designed to detoxify the intestines, aids in balancing gut flora and promotes regular bowel movements. Ensuring our intestines are full of good bacteria, the ones that help and protect us in various ways. They reduce inflammation and aid against fatigue, tiredness, and lower cholesterol levels. They also assist in kidney cleansing. The next juice is one of my favorites, as it has vasodilating effects. If you engage in any physical exercise, you'll also like it. Research indicates it can boost blood circulation, enhancing athletic performance, memory, and focus. 3. Beetroot, carrot, and ginger juice. Combine 1 medium-sized beetroot and 1 carrot, both with their skins. Add a tablespoon of ginger. Blend all with 1 liter of water. If you want to enhance it, you can add a bit of lemon. Beetroot contains substances that dilate vessels, meaning they help regulate blood and arterial pressure. For best results, consume the juice unstrained and without adding sugar. However, a note of caution. The potency of beetroot might cause some individuals to experience side effects like diarrhea. If this occurs, don't worry. Seek medical advice and perhaps try a different juice from the ones previously mentioned. Also, be careful. If you have low blood pressure, monitor your levels, as this juice might further decrease it. The good news is that you can enjoy this juice any time of the day, once or twice. 4. Papaya and kiwi smoothie. The 4th juice is also quite simple and delightful. Incorporate a whole kiwi with its skin and 2 pieces of papaya without its skin, seeds optional. The seeds also act as a mild laxative. Blend it in 1 liter of water, or if you prefer, you can mix it with almond milk instead of water. If you don't have almond milk, you can use 3 or 4 almonds when blending everything. Remember, almond milk not only offers a creamy consistency, but is also calcium-rich, enhancing the nutritional value of the drink. Papaya is full of fibers, especially when combined with its seeds, acts as a gentle, natural laxative, ensuring a smooth intestinal cleanse without causing irritation. It's also a treasure trove of vitamins A, B, and C, various minerals, and papain, all of which facilitate improved digestion. These intestinal detox drinks are crafted to be as natural as possible. They're low in calories and promote satiety, making them ideal for those on a weight loss journey. 5. Chia seed water, flaxseed, and lemon. Soak 2 teaspoons of chia or flaxseed in half a liter of water and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, you'll notice that the mixture resembles a gel. At this stage, you can add lemon and drink once or twice a day on an empty stomach. To elevate the experience, you can add a bit of almond milk or incorporate this mixture into the other juices mentioned in this video. But don't forget, even though these are natural, always pay attention to how your body reacts. If you feel you've lost weight too quickly, or if your constipation hasn't improved, consult your doctor. Likewise, if you have advanced kidney problems and are nearing the need for hemodialysis, or if you have contraindications to any of these foods, be cautious. Also, be mindful if you experience diarrhea, as this can lead to dehydration and loss of essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, which can be dangerous. Every individual's body responds differently. A common question many have is whether patients who've had diverticulitis in the past or currently have diverticula can consume peels, seeds, and dried fruits. In the past, there was a fear that patients suffering from diverticulitis couldn't consume foods with peels or seeds, as they could cause an infection but this belief is unfounded. In reality, no specific foods have been conclusively linked to triggering diverticulitis flare-ups, and there's no specific diet proven to prevent these episodes. Now, let's move on to the most surprising juice of our video. 6. Banana, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. This refreshing juice will help cleanse your intestines, promote efficient digestion, as well as help melt fat from your body. To start this recipe, you will need 200 milliliter of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 medium banana, and lastly, the juice of 1 lemon, which aids in the digestion process and helps to eliminate fat from your body. Blend all the ingredients well. Apple cider vinegar contains fibers that provide a feeling of fullness and absorb fats from your body, while the banana provides the daily amount of vitamins and minerals your body needs and helps reduce appetite and settle the stomach. Consume every morning on an empty stomach. It's essential to consult with your doctor before introducing these juices into your diet. Don't forget that in addition to drinking these juices, maintaining good intestinal health also requires regular physical activity, avoiding alcohol, smoking, and ultra-processed foods, as well as sodas and sugary juices. Be very cautious when researching opinions on the internet. There are many recommendations, and they may not always suit your specific situation. Always remember to consult with your nutritionist for more information and guidance. Here are some additional tips that you might find useful for easier bowel movements. Don't forget to drink plenty of water daily. Establish a routine for evacuating and never hold it in, as it's not healthy at all. Let us know in the comments which juice you like the most. If you found this information beneficial, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new health tips and natural ways to improve your routine. Before you leave, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye.